Here at Livefreshr, we create delicious, nutritious meals for you and your family to enjoy. Just choose your menu and the number of people in your household. Then select the number of recipes that you would like to receive each week. Just fill in your details, choose a time and date that's most suitable for you, sit back and await your delivery. Make your choices from the weekly menu with a large selection of recipes that cater to varying dietary preferences. We provide free, contactless delivery straight to your door. Livefreshr offers flexible subscriptions with no commitment that you can pause or cancel anytime. Your box comes full of fresh, hand-selected ingredients. Cut out the hassle of the weekly grocery shop and receive pre-portioned recipe kits that are good for your waist, great for the environment, and even better for your wallet. Easily access your recipes via the website or app. Just chop, cook and prepare quick, healthy dinners for you or the entire family. Livefreshr, fresh made easy.